guys, it's Renee, and today, as I was always cleaning out this garage, as you can see, I always seem to find some sort of a treasure. You know what I found today? Yep, get ready to laugh. You ready to laugh? Alright, check out what I found in my garage today. Daffodil bulbs. Not just a little bit that I had thought of a bag that I might have thought I already opened and just put this for, you know, for me to plant a little later. No, there's 35 bulbs in here. 35 daffodil bulbs that I found as I was cleaning up this garage. Ugh. So, what your girl gonna do today? I'm gonna get these planted. And I purchased another one of those white planters from Wayfair, and I already drilled some drainage holes in the bottom. So now I am going to fill this with some dirt, and let's get planting. Put my gloves on. I can't believe it that I found more bulbs. I thought I was done with planting bulbs, but guess not. So I'm just using some dirt. I'm going to just pour that in here. Put a little layer at the bottom, because I'm going to put some bulbs in there, and I'm going to layer as I go. I got 35 of these bad boys to put in here, so let's see if Renee can get them all in here. And then over here is where I usually have a bunch of reserve dirt. So let's open these. Take my gloves off for this. So 35 of these. So let's open these up. And let's get to planting. Let's see how good these bulbs are since they have been inside my garage. They look pretty good. So we're going to check each one of them before we plant it. Make sure that they're hard. They're not all mushy. And this one seems to be pretty good. So the roots seem to be pretty good. So I'm going to start on the outside of my planter. And look at this one. This one's already got a little shoot coming out right here. See it? Starting to come out. But it's still good. It's not squishy. So we're going to stick that in there. We're just going to keep on rolling. Smash it. Another one starting to telling me it's time to get planted, as if to be yelling at me. Why didn't you find us sooner? We should have been in the ground by now. Yeah. I thought I had them all found, but guess not. So I'm going to have 2 of these white planters, and I envision these being beautiful with I think I have paper whites in one, and then I'm going to have these daffodils in one. So I think that's going to be beautiful. And these bulbs are pretty big. Look at this. These are some big bulbs. So we're going to just keep planting them in there. Root side down. And these things are really telling me they needed to be planted. They're going to try to grow whether I put them in the ground or not. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if the tulips that you have already planted, are yours showing any sign? Now this, any sign of them coming up out of the ground early? Well, mine are. This one, you hear that? This one's all dried out, and it doesn't look so good. See? So we're gonna put that one to the side, and it's very important to you know, to press on it to make sure there's no mushiness, no kind of ooey gooey stuff coming out, because that is not going to work. That means it's rotten or it's got some mold or something. And you're gonna do all this work for nothing. We're just going to put that bottom layer on there. Now this one, you can hear that one. You hear that? Let me show you. See, this is what I'm talking about. You know this one isn't good because look when I open it. See what I'm talking about? How you can see the mold. See that mold? That is not a good bulb. That bulb needs to be thrown out. See, that is not a good one. If you have a bulb that looks like that, get rid of it. So I got a bag right over here. And all the ones that I know did not make the cut, they can go right in that trash bag. That's a good one. Stick this one here. We're going to put some dirt on the top of this one. And then we're going to layer the rest of our bulbs. Dirt. Ugh. I'm going to put some dirt over the ones we just did. And it's like layering a cake. I'm going to use some of this dirt out of this container. Put on the top. This got a little bit of stuff in there. I'm going to just lay those at the top. Alright, let's keep our mission going. Squeeze, squeeze. Make sure they're okay. Dig a little hole. Stick them in there. Hopefully, this container will accommodate all of them, which I think they will. It's going to go around in a circle. And some may still look good, but some of them may not even come up. So, we're just going to keep our fingers crossed. Because this is another one. Let me show you this one. Look at the size of this one. This is not a good one either. Throw that one in the bag. Keep it moving. Just gonna keep on keeping. This one in the middle. I'm almost at the end of my bag. Can't believe it. Boy, if these come up and they come out to be beautiful, I'm gonna say this was the mystery bag. The mystery bag. Look at this one. This is a double one. You got one bulb here and one there. But we're going to put it in here and see what happens. And this one, that one don't look good. So we put that in the discard bag. This one still looks good. So we're just going to put it in there. This one you know is good because look, it's starting to come up. Alright, let's put some more dirt on the top of these. Put a couple of scoops over there. And then we'll put the finer ones on the top of those. And we'll put them to sleep. And see what beauty they bring me in the spring. I don't know, because this weather, I don't know about you guys, but have you guys' weather been crazy? How it's all wet. Then you get some snow, like my wonderful snow day. And then it's in the 50s and the 60s. Like today, it's supposed to rain around 5. And then it's supposed to be like in the 60s. The very next day. Alright, put my last layer. And I think I have about 4 more. So we're just going to stick those there. Seal them, make sure they're good. Stick them in there. Hope I don't find no more of the bulbs. But soon, look at that one. You guys think I should plant this one? Because this one, it doesn't look good at all. Maybe I better stick that in the discard bag. Put this one here in the middle. And I think this is my very last one. Oh no, I got one more. Squeeze it. Make sure it's good. Stick it here. And this is the very last one. Very last bulb. Stick that in there. Alright. We are done. And I only had 1, 2, 3, 4. So only planted 30 bulbs. Because the other ones were not worthy. So let's top these off. Put some dirt. Smooth it over. Put them to sleep. Smooth it down. Say good night, baby. And hopefully, I will see you in the spring. There you go. My work here is done. So, y'all better say, Renee, if you find another bag of bulbs in your garden, you better not buy no more bulbs for next year. Or if I do purchase new bulbs, I'm going to put them all in one location. Alright. Alright guys, I want to bring you this little video about me finding some bulbs and how to be planting bulbs. And what is this? This is the day before the new year comes in, 2021. So I hope you guys are getting ready to celebrate at home safely. And get your little beverage of choice there, bringing the New Year's with. You know me, I'm going to have me a little sip of me some good little relaxing wine. And don't forget, if you do the black eyed peas thing, hope you guys got all your black eyed peas ready. I'm going to be soaking mine tonight. So I'll be ready for that tomorrow. So with that being said, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I want to say I love all my Ride and Die subscribers that's been hanging in there with me. And I wish you and your family a safe and happy New Year's. Happy New Year. So the next time I see you, it will be year 2021. All right, guys, stay blessed. I guess I should say this. Stay blessed and Happy New Year! Woohoo! 2021! Alright, guys. Talk to you later. Stay blessed with my little dirty hands. Bye, guys.